I want to do a quick review on Westin Hotel in Whistler Village. This is a one-bedroom queen suite with kitchen. The cost for the room is about 1,400 Canadian dollar. If you're using points, it costs about 70,000 points, and there is not going to be tax and resort fees. It has a full-size fridge, a dishwasher, and an oven. There's a supermarket 10 minutes away in the village, and surprisingly the price is very reasonable. It was Christmas Eve. We were having a small celebration of the room and we were making our own dinner. If you have Platinum Elite or above Marriott status, breakfast buffet for 2 is free. Otherwise, it costs about $41 for an adult and $21 for a kid. There's an entrance at the restaurant level where you can walk out to the Whistler Village. It would just take about 5 minutes walk to get to the ski school and the gondola station. I was checking out the place at 6:30 in the morning and there were already people lining up to get up to the mountain. If you're not taking the gondola, there are 2 chairlifts at the village level. The one closest to the hotel is a green run, but the one on the far side is an advanced run without any beginner route. So be sure to read the sign and don't get onto the wrong chairlift. If you are a beginner and you like more information about Olympic Mid Station, which is the area for beginners, check on the description section. I have a different video on that. Westin Hotel is one of the most convenient ski-in and ski-out hotel in the Whistler Village. The ski rental and the ski valet can easily be found on the 2nd floor. Do take advantage of that. After skiing for a whole day, and if your kids still have not burned up all the energy yet, don't forget to check out the game room on the 3rd floor. They close at 8 p.m. though. If you're still not done after 8 p.m., Westin has a pretty good gym and pool facilities. They have sauna, hot tub, a half indoor and half outdoor pool. It is a heated pool. On the day of my visit, we had freezing cold weather, but I still saw many kids who were having a lot of fun on the outdoor pool, while their parents were in the hot tub. I do need to check my work email every morning. Sometimes I appreciate those extra workspaces in the lobby area some hotels provide. Westin take care of business travelers very well in that aspect. I want to quickly touch base on parking. There's just a very small difference between valet and self-parking. And your car will be parked underground either way. In my opinion, use valet and the bell service if you have a lot of luggage. Westin is a Category 7 Marriott hotel, but they still provide a laundry room for guests to use. It is extremely useful, especially when you have had a wet day. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.